will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
What is going on? It's a new year, trying to get rid of that bad juju. We got big things popping for this year, for 2020. Wrapping up Who Has the Heat 3. I don't know when we're going to start season 4. Shout out to Hot Dog for winning season 3 into the Tournament of Champions. So we got BAA, Juggernaut of Soul, Hot Dog 18 in the Tournament of Champions. So we only got one more spot left. Like I said, I'm on the road to 5K, so tell a family member, friend. That's when we'll do the new giveaway. Always got to go check out the home team, PM Kicks, McFly KO. They on their way to that 2K. But the biggest favor I need from my family, the Brick by Brick Money Squad, is go check out the Sis 313. Trying to get her to 1K by the end of the month. If y'all could do that, I'll be greatly appreciative of my family. Now, as you can see right in front of me, Lord, I love the Navy Exchange. This is a fearless box. And yes, Emoneyshoes, I might be a hypocrite because I grabbed a Jordan 1. As you can see, Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Fearless, suggested retail price $175. But I got them for $139 plus 20% off it, like $112, $113. You can see the official colorway, multicolor varsity red, black. And I had to go up to 11 because the sucker was cutting in the side of my foot. And basically, as you can see, this is a nice box. It's just a reverse of the traditional box. So you already know it is part of the Fearless pack. And like that right there. As you can see, getting a little sprinkle wrinkle as always. You see you got your Fearless card. You got your paper inside. It should look like so. Then you got some more paper. And then you actually have the shoe. Now, I've been complaining a lot. I know I've been doing some whining about why we paying so much for a Jordan 1. All that old done technology. But, bam, there we have it. New things popping, so I would have no problem paying for this shoe. As you can see, full length zoom. That's what I'm talking about. See-through bottom. So no complaints here. You can see you got that iridescent, flip-floppy paint job, what you want to call it. Up there in the corner, you'll probably see the Flash 3M all over. I know that'll make some people happy. Hint, hint. You got your perforated holes. You got your patch up here which says Zoom Air. Come around on the side, you got Zoom, you got your Air right there. And you got two laces. So you let me know which lace I should go with. The red or the green, right? Very dope. I mean, pretty much this shoe all over is the same, but like I said, it's 3M, so that's going to be very dope when you get them night shots and the light hitting, right? You got numbers there. On the other shoe, you got your Fearless logo sign, the hang tag on there. It's just pretty much this shoe is 3M all over. Nothing else too much to the shoe. Like it's pretty much done, but it got the new technology in it, so there will be no complaints from Mr. Money. None whatsoever, especially for the price. You see you got your shoe tree. It should look like this, 11 to 11 and a half. And then in here also, it's just pretty much Zoom Air. So I will give you a job well done on this Jordan brand. Like I said, no complaints from me. You see you got a little bit of rain on the little pineapple juice coming through. So on a little meter, I would get this about a 4.8 out of 5. Yes, I know it's hard to believe. Jordan won that much, but that's what I'm giving it, 4.8 out of 5. Should you leave a comment suggestion below? Let me know what you think. Is that too high? Was it a no-look Magic Johnson pass for you? We can chop it up below. So like I said, we're on the road to 5K. Tell a family member, friend, but most importantly, go check out my sis. Get her to 1K. Much love to everybody. And like I always say, peace, love, and chicken grease. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out.